Imagine holding the future of computing in your hands for less than the price of a designer jacket. For years, Apple's base model iPad was the budget choice, the one you bought for your kids or your grandma. But in 2026, everything we thought we knew about the entry-level iPad has been shattered. The iPad 12th generation isn't just an update. It is a calculated, aggressive move by Apple to kill the laptop once and for all. If you're thinking about buying any tablet right now, stop. You need to hear this first because the iPad 12 is hiding a secret that Apple doesn't want pro users to know. Welcome to the era of the A18 and A19 chips, where the line between cheap and powerful has officially disappeared. For the first time in history, Apple is bringing its most advanced neural engine to the most affordable device in their lineup. Why? Because of one thing: Apple Intelligence. In this video, we are going to deconstruct every single leak, every hidden specification, and the real reason why this device is causing a panic at Samsung and Google headquarters. This is the ultimate deep dive into the iPad 12th generation. Let's talk about the heart of the beast. The iPad 11 was a solid machine, featuring the A16 Bionic. It was fast, sure, but it was trapped in the past. It couldn't handle the heavy lifting of modern AI. The iPad 12 changes the game by jumping straight to the A18, or according to some high-level supply chain leaks, the A19 chip. This isn't just a speed boost. This is a fundamental shift in architecture. We are talking about a 3-nanometer process that brings efficiency levels we've never seen in a sub-$400 device. Imagine editing 4K video streams, playing console-level games like Resident Evil or Death Stranding, and switching between a dozen apps without a single frame drop. That is the power of the 12th gen. But why would Apple give this much power to their cheapest iPad? The answer is Apple Intelligence. The USA market is obsessed with productivity and AI integration. By putting 8 GB of RAM into the iPad 12, a massive jump from the previous 6 GB, Apple is ensuring that every student, every digital nomad, and every casual user has access to writing tools, image playground, and the redesigned Actually Smart Siri. This is a psychological masterstroke. They are making the iPad 12 the gateway drug to the entire Apple ecosystem. If you can get Pro AI features for $349, why would you look anywhere else? Now, let's look at the hardware. Apple knows that if they change the design too much, the price goes up. So, the iPad 12 retains that iconic, sleek aluminum chassis we love. But don't let the familiar look fool you. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display is getting a secret calibration update. We are hearing reports of 600 nits of peak brightness, making it significantly better for outdoor use compared to the iPad 11. It's still an LCD. Don't expect OLED at this price point, but it's the most refined LCD Apple has ever produced. The bezels remain thin enough to feel modern, but thick enough to actually hold the device without accidental touches. It's the perfect balance of ergonomics and aesthetics. Connectivity is where the iPad 12 truly leaves the competition in the dust. With the integration of the N1 wireless chip, we are looking at Wi-Fi 7 support. In a world where high-speed internet is becoming the standard in American homes, having a budget tablet